everyone. This channel is meant to be an introductory teaching material for those students who are interested in knowing computer aided design. Specifically, we shall be dealing with AutoCAD as our software when doing this computer aided design. So, the main objectives of studying this type of CAD is to understand the principles and use of computer to design and draw engineering components and working drawings. The next one, to apply relevant design software to produce a CAD drawing. And finally, to operate various computer design systems used in CAD. So we will have a variety of topics under this one that we shall cover one after the other. So the first one will be Introduction to CAD, where we will look at the definition of terms used in CAD, advantages and disadvantages of this CAD. AutoCAD user interface, we will look at the different parts of the AutoCAD user interface. Opening AutoCAD program, saving AutoCAD drawing, creating a new drawing, and then exiting AutoCAD or closing AutoCAD. After that, we will have an exercise of the same. The next topic will be the drawing commands. So under drawing commands, we shall look at a variety. We shall start from line command, construction, polyline, polygon, rectangle, arc, circle, spline, ellipse, point, hatch, region, and text. All those we shall cover and then do an exercise of the same. After the draw command, you have the modify command, where you have commands that are used to modify the drawing that you have drawn. We shall start with erase command, copy, mirror, offset, move, rotate, trim and extend, chamfer, fillet, stretch, scale, and finally we shall look at array. After the modify command, our next topic, the third topic, will be dimensioning. So after you have drawn your drawing or your structure, so how do you dimension it? So we shall look at dimensioning, the different ways you can dimension. We will look at drawing units and drawing limits, coordinate inputs method, linear dimension, angular dimension, aligned dimension, radial or diameter dimension, baseline, continuous, quick leader, how you use it, editing dimension, dimensioning style. In case your dimensions are too small, how will you be able to change the dimensioning style? And then finally, the rules of dimensioning. How are you supposed to dimension? Just not anyhow. You must have some governance when dimensioning your drawing. After dimensioning, the next topic will be on layers and properties. Here we will look at the properties, line type, color and weight. We will be able to create layers of the different line type. Maybe it's continuous, maybe it's center line, hidden line, and the rest. So those are the line types. We will look at how you can change the color and their weight to suit your drawing. After that, we shall learn on how to create now the layers, how to apply layers in your drawing, and what are the advantages of these layers. After the layers and their properties, we shall cover orthographic projection. So under orthographic projection, we have two types, first angle and third angle. We shall look at how you position your front view, top view, and end view, both in first angle and third angle projection. After that, we will look at isometric projection, where we will set our working space into an isometric planes, maybe 30, 90, or 60, and then do an isometric dimension. And then finally, our last part will be 3D CAD modeling, where we shall look at the modeling planes, the different planes that we use during modeling methods. We shall look at user coordinate system. Uh, when it comes to 3D modeling, we shall look at 3D editing, the Boolean commands that are involved when you're editing a structure that is in 3D. We shall look at the visual styles, the different styles that you can use when viewing that 3D object, and then viewports. After that, we shall do a small exercise on 3D printing of one or two objects that we have created in our 3D modeling. And with that, it will mark the end of our lesson or our lecture in AutoCAD.